You can't go there, buddy. I'm gonna. Why can't I do it?
Why?
Stop. Okay, I turned it off. Don't.
Come here, Jackson. Jackson,
I have to turn it on. Move.
sit.
Go with Daddy.
Oh my God. Come here. Come here.
Make sure he doesn't touch it.
All right, you ready? All aboard. See? I thought he had a whistle. It's on the moat, Jay.
I know.
Turn it back on.
Look. Here. Hold on. 1 minute.
Isn't there a whistle on the moat though?
Yeah, it's right.
Let me see.
You have to push this. Dude, why do I have to do that? Wasn't doing anything. Look,
What is that? What is that for?
that's in case you don't want to touch the floor. This is the stop it.
Oh, okay.
So watch. If I want to push forward
Yep.
and I don't want to push that,
Ah.
if I want to stop, or if I want to go backwards,
Got it.
and this is the sound. So let me make sure all the carts are tight.
Mm-hmm. Train?
Can you
Train.
say, Dad, all aboard?
All aboard.
Ready? You ready, Jackson? Are you ready, Daddy?
Ready.
Are you ready, Mimi?
Ready.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Go.
Go! When
Go.
that light's on.
Yes.
Go!
Yes, it is.
Okay, that means it's on.
Go.
What? We have 2 extra tracks.
Yeah, it made it too big.
Yeah.
Need some grease on the.
Yeah. It's this time I know the train's going at the train stop.
Yep.